Hey everyone, welcome back to NGF channel. To replace the battery in a Samsung Galaxy S21, apply heat around the back cover to soften the adhesive. Insert a plastic pry tool and carefully work your way around the edges. Use isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive. Carefully work your way around the edges. Remove all the screws securing the midframe. Gently lift it off to expose the internal components. Remove all the flex cables. Disconnect the battery connector. The battery is glued down pretty firmly. Apply a little isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive. Carefully pry it up. Be patient, don't bend or puncture the battery. Clean the old adhesive. Apply new adhesive. Place the new battery into position. Reconnect the connector. Reattach the flex cable. Reattach the midframe and screws. Before sealing the back, power the phone back on. And make sure everything is working correctly. press the back cover into place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what repair you want to see next.